Hello everyone. Now we are going to learn how to do Bhoomi Namaskriya. Before learning it, you should learn to hold some hastas. This is kadakamuka. This is shikara. This is chadara. This is pataka. And this is anjali. First hold kadakamuka in front of your chest like this. Now fold and tap your right leg. Then left leg. Hold shikara. And slowly go to Mulamanti position. Now hold chadara. Place it on your eye and hold Anjali. Slowly come up, feet together. This is Samam position. Now bow down. Let me show you one more time. Tak di mi, tak di mi, tak di mi, tak di mi. This is the simplest way of doing Bhoomi Namaskriya. There are some differences in different bodies. We do the Namaskaram to get the blessings from Mother Earth before starting the dance and after finishing the dance. Thank you.